And welcome back to my YouTube channel Lifestyle News. In today's video, we will share with you latest news. Paul Dochi, Kendrick Lamar, and more. What for the artist BTS J-Hope should collab with a new solo album. BTS J-Hope might hope to the latest trend of international artists and team up with one or more of them for his upcoming comeback. Who would you like to see him collaborate with? And BTS J-Hope is slated for his solo comeback this March 7 as confirmed by the Byte Music on the February 6. With less than a month remaining, fans are eagerly waiting to see what the BTS in October 2024. Recently, his new collaborative track with the Don Toliver called Elme Bag was played at Paris Fashion Week. However, its official release is this awaited. And with such varied news surrounding the K-pop artist doing around, fans cannot help but wonder if his upcoming album will include collaboration with global star. Here are a few of the names we think he might sit with the J-Hope given his musical style, and if the J-Hope joined forces with Kendrick Lamar, it would be nothing short of the legendary. The two artists are big of the short in this respective sphere, and with the American hip-hop artist being well known for his diss track, not like as written on the amidst his public feud with the Drake. J-Hope might sound well with Doechii as well, who is getting more and more popular with each passing year. She has recently entered the K-pop industry with their collaboration announcement with the Blackpink Jennie, and fans have loved the new J-Hope can take on the position reaction and they consider her for his upcoming project. Halsey, who has previously worked with BTS on Boy With Love and shares a close sisterly bond with the group, will be a fan favorite collaboration option with J-Hope if there is a possibility of that happening. And Grammy winning Bruno Mars, who has taken over the global chart with his collaborative with Blackpink Rose in APT and the Lady Gaga in Die With A Smile, can also be potential option in a feature in BTS rapper New Music. J-Hope previously joined forces with the Becky G for in 2018 solo track Chicken Noodle Soup, which is still a beloved track for the fan. Cardi B, whose powerful rap style and the vocal texture complement J-Hope, could potentially create a banger. And if they were to collaborate, I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.